Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vimira Stogi. Today we will learn about the layers of the atmosphere with the help of this model. First of all, let us know what is the relevance of atmosphere, why it is important for us. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the planet and is held by its gravity. Earth's atmosphere is made up of a mixture of gases including oxygen and nitrogen that are essential for life. The atmosphere protects life on Earth by blocking harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun and trap heat to maintain moderate temperature. The atmosphere makes Earth more habitable by enabling the greenhouse effect. It also distributes solar radiation which drives weather and atmospheric circulation. The atmosphere is comprised of layers based on temperature. These layers are: the lowest layer is troposphere, then stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the last one is exosphere. Now let us discuss the lowest most layer of the atmosphere, which is given here. This is the part we live in. All weather occur in this region. The troposphere begins at the Earth's surface, but the height of the troposphere varies. It is 18 to 20 kilometers high at the equator, 9 kilometers at 50 degrees north and 50 degrees south, and it is just under 6 kilometers high at the poles. The density of the gases in this layer decreases with height. The air becomes thinner. Therefore, the temperature in the troposphere also decreases with height. As one climbs higher, the temperature drops from an average 17 degrees centigrade to minus 51 degrees centigrade at the tropopause. Now let us come to the troposphere, the stratosphere. The stratosphere extends from 6 to 20 kilometers above the Earth's surface to around 31 miles, or you can say 50 kilometers. This layer holds 19% of the atmosphere's gases, but very little water vapor. In this region, the temperature increases with height. Heat is produced in the process of the formation of ozone, and this heat is responsible for temperature increase from an average minus 51 degrees centigrade at tropopause to maximum minus 15 degrees centigrade at the top of the stratosphere. This increase in temperature with height means warm air is located above cooler air. This prevents convection as there is no upward movement of the gases. Due to this, aeroplane flies in the stratosphere for the smoother ride. The transition layer at the bottom of the stratosphere is called tropopause. Let us come to the layer above the stratosphere, which is known as mesosphere, the third layer. This layer extends from around 31 miles, or you can say 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface to 53 miles, 80, or you can say 85 kilometers. Most meteors burn up in the mesosphere. Unlike the stratosphere, the temperature once again grows colder as you rise up through the mesosphere. The air in the mesosphere is far too thin to breathe. The transition layer at the bottom of the mesosphere is known as stratopause. Now the next layer is thermosphere. You can see that the fourth layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth layer is thermosphere. The high energy X-rays and UV radiation from the sun are absorbed in the thermosphere, raising the temperature to hundreds and thousands of degrees. However, the layer is so thin that it would feel freezing cold to us. In many ways, the thermosphere is more like outer space than the part of the atmosphere. In fact, the approximate boundary between out atmosphere and the outer space known as Kármán line is in the thermosphere at an altitude of about 100 kilometers. Many satellites actually orbit Earth within the thermosphere. The temperature in the upper thermosphere can range from about 500 degrees centigrade to 2000 degrees centigrade or maybe higher. The bottom of the thermosphere is known as mesopause, the transition into the mesosphere. Now the last is the exosphere. This is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. In this layer, atoms and molecules escape into space. There is no clear-cut boundary where the exosphere finally fades away into space. Now, I am hopeful that the explanation of the layers of the atmosphere must have benefited you, must have sharpened your understanding. I am very much thankful to you. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone.